Alright guys, hey, check it out. Got the Parrot Mambo down here. That's about as close as I'm gonna get to a, what's that, parrot, a Nafi? That's about as close as I'm gonna get. But anyway, just to do a revisit. See if it's gonna, oh, and it bounds, so let's go up. I got the old landing pad out here. That's what I got from my Mavic Pro. So, alright, check that out. So I think if you like, what's this A gonna do? Oh, it does the flip. Alright. I think the B does it back or forward. Yeah. What's this 1 and 2? I think it's that turn. Oh, it's left and right. Okay, gotcha. Alright, I think the little shoulder button here, it's gonna go 1/4 turn. Yeah. And I think the other one will make it go the opposite way, 1/4 turn. Yeah. Now this one, I don't know what it's going to do. It's a nothing. Did that make it go forward? No. Oh! Crash! Oops! I crashed it, so you can see the optical flow there. So when it goes up in the air, it'll hold its ground. So let's get up there again. See how it holds its line? Let me go over here. Now if I put my hand up on it, see how it moves? Trying to find that ground, that's what it's trying to do, but whoa! Up. See, now that's the low battery warning. I didn't charge it up very much. When it does that, this here is gonna vibrate also, so it's like a double whammy, you know. It's got the red flashing, so whoop, I'll bring it over here if I can get it. Alright, nice landing, huh? Well, anyway, it didn't last very long, but I just wanted to get out here, charge. I was going to take the Mavic Pro out today, but my God, it's hot out there. And, so let's just take slide the battery out a little bit, turn that off. Let's turn this off. That's off, and let's see if I can get this all. Did I do it? Yeah, I did. It's got a little case in there. I got